This small but very powerful little handheld vacuum cleaner is perfect for vacuuming up any crumbs or anything that's left on your furniture. I hate having to drag my big vacuum cleaner out to clean this up. Not only is it good for your couches, it can be used in the vehicle too. It works great in those. It sucks and it blows. It has 3 speeds. Also has a light, as you can see. These things would make a great Christmas present, or if you just want to get one for yourself. I'm going to link it down below if you would like to get yours.